Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Custom Crate Engines. You know, if you know us throughout the years, we like to experiment, and we've been starting experimenting with these Hemi engines. This is the Gen III Hemi. This is the 5.7. This is a small baby of the Hemis. Naturally aspirated. We just got done making about 740 horsepower at 6,500 RPM, and it made 622 foot-pounds of torque. Totally insane. The motors are gorgeous. They idle phenomenal. And you know what? Me and Steve, we're great at designing stuff. And I'll tell you what, this happens to be another one of our fabulous designs. So, you know, again, hey, this one's for Mike, my next door neighbor. Check this out, naturally aspirated, no supercharger, 740. Hey, what can I say? We're pretty damn good at what we do. That's why we're still doing it after all these years. Peace, everybody. All right, Bob, I got your 69 Dodge Charger engine here on the dyno. Happens to be our 392 Gen 3 Hemi engine. Gonna fire it up, give you a run demo. Tell you, these Hemis run so beautiful. The idles are perfect. All right, ready to roll. Man, did that thing come alive.